What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video and or a live stream. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the other day we did a video on the upcoming TRD lift kit from Toyota, which will add 3 inches to your truck and will allow 35-inch tires. Everybody is very excited about it because it's backed by Toyota. It's engineered and designed by TRD and Toyota. So this is something everybody is really pumped up about for that next generation 2022 Tundra. We saw some pictures the other day, which I will show you again through this. But the biggest question I got the other day when I made this video was, what kind of a lift is this? Is this like a cheap type spacer lift? Is it something a little bit more advanced, maybe something in the middle? Well, today I'm going to give you all of those answers and all of the details on exactly what this TRD lift kit is. I'm also going to tell you when you can expect it and the price it will add to your existing truck or on top of the truck you are buying brand new. So we will get to that right away. Before we get there, let me put up a great shot of this lift kit on a limited TRD off-road. This is obviously the 2022 next generation Tundra. And as you can see, it looks great. Those are 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on there, just to give you an idea of what it will look like with this lift kit. There are a lot of options you can do with this next generation Tundra. So it really just starts with this awesome ad from Toyota with this 3-inch lift kit. Okay, so first off, this is coming in summer 2022. So if you want this, you're gonna have to wait a little while longer, but with this next generation Tundra, we've been waiting a long time anyway, so this looks to be worth the wait. All right, so let's check out exactly what comes with this lift kit. Now, once again, this is genuine TRD designed and developed. All right, it's all Toyota and TRD here, so it is made in-house, which is a great thing. And this is what you get with the lift kit. Bilstein tuned front and rear shocks, taller front coil springs, forged upper control arms by Roush, front lower knuckles, front stabilizer links, front outer tie rods, front tie rod sleeves, front extended drive shafts, front jounce bumpers, extended brake flex hoses, and rear spring spacers. And it also gives you some off-road capability improvements, such as frame ground clearance adds 2.6 inches, the approach angle, it adds 5 degrees, departure angle, 1 degree, and breakover angle, 2 degrees. And even better than all of that stuff I just told you, this is fully compliant with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, so you won't affect your warranty with this lift kit here. It also comes with a 3-year, 36-month warranty, and the estimated price of this lift kit, $3,995. So there's all your information on that lift kit. It looks to be a little bit more than just a spacer lift kit. $4,000 price tag will be added if you add this to your upcoming purchase of your 2022 Tundra. You will have to let me know if you feel that this is worth it. I will tell you a couple things that make me feel like it is worth it. I'm sure there's a lot better lift kits out there. We know there's a lot of great companies that make lift kits, but you're protected by your warranty. It's compliant with Toyota Safety Sense, which that has been a big thing ever since Toyota Safety Sense came out on the Tundra, making sure your systems are going to work when they're needed to work, and a lift doesn't interfere with that. In 2018, Toyota had a big problem with that, with people adding lift kits to their newly Toyota Safety Sensed Tundras, because in 2018, that's when Toyota Safety Sense hit the Tundra. And they were having to sign, waivers and stuff, basically taking Toyota out of the picture if something goes wrong. If Toyota Safety Sense doesn't work because of your lift kit, some dealers wouldn't install a lift kit. So this is the answer to all of that. This is Mike Swears and the team listening to us, what we want, and the kit looks amazing. The TRD Pro is a very expensive truck, okay? And that gives you a little bit of a lift, more of a leveling lift. This is kind of taking it to a whole nother level. You have another option at a lift kit that's taller and can go on any next generation Tundra, and it looks awesome, absolutely awesome. We've been seeing this limited TRD off-road since this truck has been released a couple months ago now. It's kind of been the truck you see all the time along with the TRD Pro model, and it looks great. But with this lift kit, it takes it to a whole new level. So let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your pros and cons of this lift kit? I know you guys will say price $4,000 is not cheap, but once again, it is compliant with Toyota Safety Sense, which is a big thing, and you get a nice 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day, be safe, and be well.